podcast, Illicit Liquor, Drugs, Gold and Freebies. Futuristic Forest Guard Training School to be set up soon in Manipur. And government schools found turning into private warehouses, tea stalls. Hello and good evening. You're watching Times of Manipur. This is SILKY with the news in detail. Election Commission has seized unaccounted cash, illicit liquor, drugs, gold and freebies worth around 3,450 crore rupees since the Lok Sabha polls were announced on 10th of March. The seizure is nearly 3 times the figures of the 2014 Lok Sabha polls, which was 1,206 crore rupees. Director General in the Commission, Dilip Sharma said, of the total seizure, cash worth over 839 crore rupees and drugs worth 1,270 crore rupees were sophisticated. The over month-long general elections to elect the 17 Lok Sabha have concluded successfully, with the 7th and final phase of polls recording around 65% turnout in 59 constituencies yesterday. With the completion of the polling, the fate of 8,049 candidates in the fray for 542 Lok Sabha seats has been sealed. Counting of votes along with 4 state assemblies of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim will be taken up on Thursday. The News Services Division of All India Radio has made elaborate arrangements for providing authentic and latest results. For the first time, All India Radio, the biggest radio network of the country, will continuously broadcast a special program on election results for 40 hours on Thursday. Elaborate security arrangements have been made to ensure smooth counting of vote of the 17 Lok Sabha election 2019 in respect of one inner Manipur parliamentary constituency at the counting halls located in the office complex of Deputy Commissioner Imphal West District at Lamphaipat, an official release informed today. Plans are afoot to set up a state-of-the-art forest guard training school soon in Manipur, said Chief Principal Conservator of Forest K. Angami today. He was speaking during a convocation program of 48 batch of forest guard training, during which successfully passed out 50 forest guards gave salute while performing a drill parade at Luang Sangbam. Angami, who was the chief guest of the event, stressed on the need to set up a modern and well-equipped forest training school and urged upon all forest guards to execute their duty fully.
So my request to all the forest guards who are passing out today, try your best to do the right things every day in your official duty wherever you are posted. It is not going to be easy. Sometimes you will fail, sometimes you will be able to do the right thing, but never ever give up to do things in the right way. We will fail sometime. We are not 100% strong, we are human beings, but we need to keep on trying. Even if we fail to do the right thing today, tomorrow we should try again to do the right thing, so that it becomes a habit for us to do the right thing in the forest department.
Chief Wildlife Warden Dr. J.N. Anand and Additional Chief Conservator of Forest Dr. L. Punimau also attended the event. Certificates were distributed to the 50 successful forest guards during the program. Contrary to the claim by the Manipur government on its efforts to bring changes in the education sector, several government-run schools have been found illegally turning into private godowns and tea stalls by different people. Earlier in the day, a team of Students' Union of Kangleipak, SUK, led by its president, Dhanakumar Ningthauja, inspected the dormitory Primary School, Konung Mamang, Ramji Junior High School, Ningthem Pukri Mapal, and Syamasaki High School, Moirangkhom. Only 25 students were found at Syamasaki High School, Moirangkhom, but the number of teachers was comparatively high as it has 12 teachers according to the SUK. The fencing of the school was found in a shabby condition, and the main road near the entrance of the school was turned into a garbage dumping site. The headmaster of the school has already brought the matter to the notice of the Imphal Municipal Council (IMC). At Dameshwari Primary School, it was found that one of the classrooms was converted into a sugarcane juice basin storage room. Besides, a tea stall was found running inside the school compound. The condition of Ramji Junior High School was also found in dilapidated condition. Parts of the schools were almost crashing down. One of the rooms was turned into a warehouse of the local club. The school has around 30 students, while the number of teachers is 5. On the sidelines of the inspection visit, SUK President Danakumar Ningthauja urged the government to take care of these schools in the interest of all students and also the future generation. He said the government should to take immediate action in this regard, failing which SUK along with the public will take up hesitation.
Asigumba Taisataba Oza Mayam Lerga Satra Lataba Satra Lerga Oza Lataba Amadi School building construction the Taisataba Pivum Zadra School Sing a Siang Biduna Apava quality education Namna Honabada Mating Pang Biu Habo from Suki Make the Tamjari Aduloina Nangasi Equina Sasabasi the Tanzarquasi School da Hotel School property School Lamda Hotel Sazanba and the school boundary Mayada boundary Manunda fencing na Taisata Bana Lekagi locality Mayam na Fatahoti Langsanba Madilang Topum Oiba Silengang na Karimata Miang Changrabra Masi Lengang na Tubumatam the Miang Changbiduna for quality education program of Honabamating Pang Bio have wapam Suki Making and Silangaki Hum the Tamjari.
Now, let's have a short commercial break.
Kindergarten Montessori School affiliated to CBSE New Delhi, Sagol Bantakil Kolom Laikai, Imphal West. Admission in progress. Class 11 Science and Arts 2019-20. Admission criteria 80% and above. Direct admission, free tuition fee, free textbooks and free uniform one time only. 70% to 79%. Direct admission, free textbooks. 60% to 69%. Direct admission and free textbooks. 40% to 59%. Admission through entrance test. For more details, please contact Kindergarten Montessori School, Sagol Bantakil Kolom Laikai, Imphal West.
Kangla Packaged Drinking Water, a unit of Lamjingba Group. Chingmang Poising, Nambol, Bishnupur District, Manipur, 795134. We aim to provide minerals added and purified drinking water to every household of the state, Manipur, ensuring good and healthy life for all. Silent features, RO-treated purified water, added minerals, state-of-art infrastructure water plant, processed and packaged under hygienic condition, sterilized water bottles, natural and clear stream water source, features and benefits, free home delivery, a filled jar free subscription on registration, 1 month free subscription on registration, Rs 500 registration fee, 30 bottles per month, that is 600 liters, Rs 250 subscription fee per month, 2 months free on subscription of a year. Subscription type monthly Rs 250, half yearly Rs 1500, quarterly Rs 750, yearly Rs 3000. Offer valid till 30th May 2019. For more details, please contact us at 8257 888737 or email us at lamjingbakanglawwater@gmail.com.
Hey, Bima. Exam pass to bugi haraugi di later na unga pami du karigino.
Pamoyage school puna taminradi en hekta matoge.
Ay ay ma amta ngai ko. Nangbu khoi ibim ga lairik punna tamina ba tanbrane.
Aidi science stream pame. Aduga ekhoi ichan to mina art stream. Aduga Manipur di science ka arts ka pulap tamina ba yaba afaba school amata sulaite. Ekhoi ichan to mina aiga pulap samina ningdana tawrine bacho.
Hey, karigino na hey noy adyang wari du ba. Ha. Noy ani punna tamina ba yaba school ni na aina thiba chaluri sa. Imphal Airport manakta leiba changangai usikondane Advanced School of Arts and Science haidana maling khaledra haribi school se MIL gi subject khudimak loina tamba yare aduisu matakta tha ahum khudingi free medical check out.
Hey, Nangbu, adiyam phaba school am phangaga nacha ani gi form loruk tridi karigino.
Taso oisu apa mamina ti kai dorage. Say, form.
Lauri en he.
Welcome back. Thongam Santi, a social worker, has claimed that Moirang constituency is experiencing a holdback in terms of development and urged the denizens of the area to march ahead together. He was speaking during a meeting where 189 supporters of Moirang Kendra Progressive Front (MKPF) were facilitated. The meeting was held at Indian National Army Hall, Moirang. Social worker Thongam Santi said that Moirang is also lagging behind in education sector. He urged the gathering to make an all-out effort to sort out this problem together. Fubala Gram Panchayat Pradhan M. Sarda Devi, Wakta Municipal Council former chairpersons Muhammad Malik and Samsira Bibi, Fubala Gram Panchayat Upa Pradhan Asapati Devi, Moirang Municipal Council members K. Gautam and Helen Kumar also attended the meeting.
Ngarang han haido kiwa ten gida moirang degi kanam to position le payau de mata mamada kana gida position le pia tadi moirang le pra kaksing na le pra hang ner min le ngasi di moirang mami sam ke education ni lai so sana barum do ere everywhere hauji moirang khwai dei moirang ke de kai de maming chali drug la lor ma da khwai dei yu tak pa da khwai dei dak ta ba thok Arang mo pabi season na ka paisa tada ho da Moirang Kendra mang ta ba ho ra maduna ni akhoi da masi development tawrak pa mata no masi han muthat pa man da ka lai masi muthat pa ise ai gamai ngam do no police na su ka bai ngam do no sarkar su ka bai ngam do no akhoi isa da awareness oi bin da ga akhoi isa da ai Moirang Kendra kan da ya de ai tung da hore bi isa isu kan da ya de ba wakhal lon da sangsin min na ra ka da akhoi nu pun mak se samjin ba abadi sangat.
The second public meeting of Oinam village has reiterated the decision to ostracize one Henam Robindro as at 50 years from the village. The decision will remain effective, the meeting agreed. It has been alleged Robindro recently attempted to rape an 11-year-old local girl on 11th of May. The police should bring accused Robindro to book and punish. Demanded a meeting organized by the Joint Action Committee JSC at Oinam Lekai Community Hall. The Joint Action Committee JSC convener Oinam Mutum Roma Devi warned that anyone who speaks up against the JSC will meet the same fate on Robindro. On 11th of this month, Henam Robindro of Oinam Awang Lekai tried to sexually assault the 11-year-old neighbor.
Masida chatha biraktaba taragadi akoi yamna akanba mongda ju khongjang mathang mathang changchin jarakani athuba matamda magi tawam thoba ko na rai tabadu tabiu tabiraktaba taragadi akoi mari leinaba social nation mayam ga koi kusan aduna chacharakani akoi na hana logjagiba tangtrom de tawjagiba meeting adu da tawjagiba loggiba ware badu akoi ahong ba leijade amuka mathang da chesanaba koi mathang pangthok jagani loina san committee da nataba wangang sangang ngangakpa thoklabadi madusu Robindo da logriba wari pasimak logjagani.
The All Manipur Bar Association Amba and High Court Bar Association of Manipur HCBAM have jointly organized a sit-in protest condemning the May 18 violence incident that occurred inside the Lamphilpat Court complex of Chief Judicial Magistrate wherein Advocate H. Nabachandra Singh was assaulted by an angry mob. Court properties were also vandalized during the incident. Kujamayum Helen, Elias Toy, as of 26, one of the accused in the Kujamayum Arun murder case, was produced before the Lamphil Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate, Imphal East, when the incident happened. Amba Secretary W. Harendra said, today's sit-in demonstration was held to condemn the act of assaulting the senior advocate. He said the primary duty of bar body is to protect the interests of the people and deliver justice to them, stressing that the public need to show regard to advocates and their dignities and they should not implicate them.
세상자 Sar Manos Laktana, Mayam Totana, control Tore, control Tobudagidi, Hojikse, I know Tozeriba, Tabakse, I know Tozeriba Tabaks, again and I can not there. Makoji Miduga, Marie and then Mipa, sing Marisunate. Accuse Gishunate, I know Nitiki Tozeriba, court to the Aquana Lasago, kill Mayamazas, Mayamna, Tozeriba, to the attack Torakoda, to Haiba to the Madu, Tobino, Haina, Hajarubi, Batuki, Toba missing with Pabu, Hibati, I complained to Zabani. I have to put Nate, Akoya, take to Bakoy, Justice, Koyi, judiciary systems, a Kanaba Tozan, Miami Ponimasa, and I have Nate.
The All India Coordinated Research Project on Maize, Directorate of Research, Central Agricultural University, Imphal, conducted a one-day training cum awareness program on identification, symptomology and management of fall armyworm FAW on maize in Manipur at CAU Iroisemba today. Pesticides along with necessary items required in tackling the pests were also distributed to farmers during the program, which was held under the aegis of ICAR, Indian Institute of Maize Research, Ludhiana, Punjab. Speaking on the sidelines of the event, Vice Chancellor of CAU, Imphal, Professor Moirangthem Premjit said, due to tremendous changes in climatic conditions of northeastern state of Manipur, Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh, the infestation and management of fall armyworm has continued in the region. He further said there are less chances of FAW attacking rice crops according to a research report often from CAU. However, it is utmost important to study in detail with full coordination from scientists of every department about the pests, its behavior and lifespan, as it may start to attack the paddy crops in future. If the insect starts attacking the paddy crops, then it could cause famine and other serious problems, he added.
Suzaka Tariba, Paul Arumamshin, and appear grassly sanction Ramatam Day, some name the product or can the Iraila in the way. Other Manipur that they must yam panic or Birono, Madam de state government issue, yam under the able leadership of Chief Secretary Makada, Akoi University, ICAR, State Department, Atma, Quebec, and Peninsula kind of ward footing the as a problem is solved, Tonaba Honore, otherwise, I with the Tamjaning with the problem to the salt of Granatuga, Matang the curry, Matangi Sai the curry, Matangi crop the curry, I would long term so koi Kanaba, Nainaba, Darkar lay,
Repairing of Convention Hall of Moray Trade Center, situated at Indo-Myanmar border town, which is a frequent meeting place for officials from both Manipur as well as neighboring country Myanmar, was started in February of this year with a fund located by the concerned authority. But the work has remained halted after 1 month as no one has returned to work after the Yaosang Festival holiday in March. The ceiling of the hall has been replaced by wooden frames and the ground floor is scattered with tin roofs and other things. On top of this, the electric wiring of the convention hall is yet to be fitted. The ceiling of the hallway leading to the stay facility is not up to date. And the ceilings of all other rooms have been covered with ceiling boards. It is worth mentioning that the Trade Center was inaugurated on 20 September 2003 by the then Commerce and Industries Minister T.H. Devendra and Power Minister Phungjathang Tonsing. Winner of Miss Panachi 2019, Khagebam Hentoy Lema, a model who has also bagged the Women Excellence Award Wisdom of Women WOW given by Vinitapuri, Delhi, was accorded a warm welcome at Imphal Tulihal International Airport today. Members of Lining Amadi Inak Yokhatpa Apunba Malem, Layam, Kanglei Park received her at the airport. Khagembam Hentoy also won the Rabia Beauty Art Award, a Women Excellence Award given by Mumbai last year.
Club Delhi the Labour Cultural Club sa pibane hujki award se wow akoi award se mami se wow ko iba wisdom of women amana amasu Mumbai dane aduna Rabia Beauty Art kanona pibane adugina adusu Women Excellence Award aina ngamba gai di hai tare aina ngamba gai di dum hona jagini aduga aina matungda sidi hena kano tokba ngamba oijege na kano khalle hai tare
koi ibema henthoi se masina manipur gi damakta mana model ama hoina ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯖꯥꯏꯅꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯛ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯨꯕ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯧꯒꯠꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯛꯄ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ.
Once again, let's have a short break.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center Kumja listing ama chapan marifom doi ki hona chai kunthra manga hena Northeast India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ne lereklaba Nauka gi Imphal Center ma hangjare TV ma phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fam na ta bangam da gi awab mayok na di bana al koding mag wabi rugano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic tanga simak lension directuna completely invisible water resistant ama di rechargeable oida digital hearing aid hapiu ta bangam gi pangal wana badong gi khang chana ba single powers tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phawai Sangmam Laikai near Community Hall mobile number na 6009545159.
Admissions open for Modi University Laxmangarh Rajasthan School of Architecture and Town Planning School of Design School of Engineering and Technology School of Sciences School of Liberal Arts School of Management Studies School of Legal Studies 53% scholarship for Northeast students. For details, please contact Career Info Solution, New Chekon Road, near Bazaar, India, 841-3976-991. For more details, please visit our website www.modiuniversity.ac.in. Modi University, a leading women's university.
Welcome back. The second India Open International Boxing Tournament began today at Saru Sajai Stadium in Guwahati. 16 countries are participating in the tournament where nearly 200 boxers are vying for the podium. The preliminaries will be held today and tomorrow to be followed by the quarter-finals and semi-finals, culminating into the grand finale on May 24. India has fielded a strong contingent of 38 men and 37 women in the tournament, including Mary Kom in 51 kg category. 6 pugilis from Assam are in the competition. India won 6 gold medals last year. The competition will be held in 18 categories. The gold medalists will get $2,500 and the silver medalists will earn $1,000. Several Naga political groups and civil society organizations appealed to ensure that peace is maintained in the Naga self-administered SAJAT area in the aftermath of the crackdown on NSCNK by the Myanmar army. The political groups and organizations also said that innocent Naga people should not be made to suffer. The statements were issued by the NSCN-IM, NNC parent body, Naga Mothers Association, NMA and the Forum for Naga Reconciliation, FNR. The NSCN-IM in its statement, while condemning the military action, termed it as diabolic and outrageous. The NSCN-IM further urged all concerned stakeholders to abide by the ceasefire agreement in the interest of creating conducive atmosphere for lasting peace. Political activities have gained momentum in the national capital, with the leaders of various parties holding consultations on setting up of a new political order. BJP President Amit Shah will meet leaders of National Democratic Alliance tomorrow ahead of the declaration of poll results on Thursday. The meeting will take place in New Delhi, where top NDA leaders will chalk out a strategy on the possible outcome of the elections. The meeting comes in the backdrop of exit polls which have predicted a return of BJP-led NDA government at the center. Opposition leaders, on the other hand, are preparing for the eventuality of a fractured mandate, consolidation of non-NDA parties and other splinter groups for the formation of a new government at the center. Most exit polls have forecast another term for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, with some of them projecting that the BJP-led NDA would get over 300 seats to comfortably cross the majority mark of 272 in the Lok Sabha. All exit polls released at the conclusion of the 7th-phase 17th general election predicted a second term for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The counting of votes will take place on May 23. BJP delegation today met Election Commission in New Delhi and demanded repolling in some areas, particularly in West Bengal. Senior party leader and Union Minister Piyush Goyal accused Trinamool Congress Chief Mamata Banerjee of threatening BJP candidates and workers. He said the party has urged the commission to take cognizance of the matter. He said there is a possibility of violence in West Bengal during and after counting of votes, and central forces should be there till model code of conduct is enforced. The BJP also appealed to the poll panel to ensure the sanctity of the counting process in Odisha, West Bengal, Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh. Swedish authorities has issued a request for a detention order against WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange, who is now jailed in Britain. The development stage of a possible future tug-of-war between Sweden and the United States over any extradition of Assange from Britain. Assange was evicted last month from the Ecuadorian embassy, where he had been holed up with political asylum since 2012. He was then immediately arrested by British police on April 11 and is currently serving a 50-week sentence in Britain for jumping bail in 2012. The Australian secret spiller also faces a US extradition warrant for allegedly conspiring to hack into a Pentagon computer. The US military said one of each warship sailed near the disputed Scarborough Shoal claimed by China in the South China Sea yesterday, a move likely to anger Beijing at a time of tense ties between the world's two biggest economies. The busy waterway is one of a growing number of flashpoints in the US-China relationship, which also include a trade war, US sanctions and Taiwan. China struck a more aggressive tone in its trade war with the United States on Friday. The tough talk kept a week that saw Beijing unveil phrase retaliatory tariffs. Now, let's have a look to some of the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Exit polls predict majority for Modi-led NDA in Lok Sabha. Violence in Bengal, clashes in Punjab reported. Over 61% polling in last phase. Officials moved Delhi to Imphal night flight. Single control system yet to deliver fully. Central NPF states stand on Manipur issue. Bomb blast rocks. The People's Chronicle. Modi set to sweep Lok Sabha. Exit polls show Congress unfazed. BJP downplays NPF pull-out decision. Plight of Nagas intense. Myanmar worries NSD and IM. Imphal Free Press. 3, including TV actor held in gang rape case of 2 Manipuri transgenders. NSC and IM expresses concern on Myanmar situation. Exit polls give clean sweep to NDA. My aspiration is to become a prominent engineer, says Muhammad Junaid Alam. The Morning Bell. Wakha villagers decry forced acquisition of community forest land for cultural university. BJP all set to return to power, according to exit polls. Bamon Kampu locals form human chain. Storm Irilbung police station demanding unconditional release of 13 arrested women protesters. Symposium on life of Elangbam Dinamani conducted. Workshop on revision of state action plan on climate change held. Manipur Mail. Polling for Lok Sabha elections over. Exit polls predict victory for BJP. Do not trust exit poll, says Mamata.
Before we wind up the news bulletin, the top stories once again. First, the top stories. Election Commission sages and accounted cash, illicit liquor, drugs, gold and freebies. Futuristic Forest Guard Training School to be set up soon in Manipur. And government schools found turning into private warehouses, tea stalls. That's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates. Thank you.